Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you will find our email and website info. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases, we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It tells YouTube to share my channel with other people looking for vacation content. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video will be about a restaurant that I visit regularly when I'm in the Myrtle Beach area. It's called Mimosas Southern Kitchen and Bar, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 843-839-3989. I'll have their website info in the description as well. It's a full-service restaurant and bar, serving breakfast and lunch, with indoor and outdoor seating. They're open 7 days a week, and on the website today it said 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. I'm going to tell you is I go there, the food is great, the atmosphere is great, the staffing is great. I just love the whole place. And you know, for me, I guess because I'm Italian, I always like food, and if I can find a place that's good and makes me feel special, I keep going back. And yes, do I get the mimosas that they serve there? Yes. I also get vodka and orange juice when I'm there. Pancakes are great. They have TVs above the bar. It's just a great experience. Check out the website. Check out Mimosas in Myrtle Beach. You're gonna love it. Enjoy the video and talk to you soon.